She is at the door.
She is at the door.
The cat is in the box.
The cat is in the box.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
The dog sleeps under the bed.
The dog sleeps under the bed.
A lamp hangs above the desk.
A lamp hangs above the desk.
The town is below the mountain.
The town is below the mountain.
He sits beside his friend.
He sits beside his friend.
She stands between two trees.
She stands between two trees.
The cat hides behind the sofa.
The cat hides behind the sofa.
He waits in front of the school.
He waits in front of the school.
We live near the river.
We live near the river.
The cafe is opposite the bank.
The cafe is opposite the bank.
She reads inside the library.
She reads inside the library.
The children play outside the house.
The children play outside the house.
He parks next to the shop.
He parks next to the shop.
She walks to school.
She walks to school.
He runs from the dog.
He runs from the dog.
She jumps into the pool.
She jumps into the pool.
He gets out of the car.
He gets out of the car.
They walk through the tunnel.
They walk through the tunnel.
She swims across the lake.
She swims across the lake.
We walk along the beach.
We walk along the beach.
The dog runs around the tree.
The dog runs around the tree.
He cycles past the market.
He cycles past the market.
She walks towards the light.
She walks towards the light.
He moves away from the fire.
He moves away from the fire.
She climbs up the stairs.
She climbs up the stairs.
He slides down the hill.
He slides down the hill.